Jilla Panchayat Tumkur, Department of Public Instruction, Chiknaknalli, Class 5th Standard, Subject English, Topic Love for Animals. Competency is present tense form. Presented by Gangadharya Hen, Assistant Teacher, JHPS Dabbegatta. Welcome to English class, students. I will show some animals picture. Do you identify them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Identify one by one.
Cow, goat, cat, sheep, buffalo, dog,
Good children. Which animal do you like?
cow, cat, sheep, dog.
Very good children. Now shall we go to lesson Love for Animal? Now open the page number 1. Children, I have filled all the boxes with suitable letter and got the animals names. I will read all the animals. Okay. OX, ox. COW, cow. GYAT,
Goat,
HORSE,
ass,
MONKEY,
monkey,
GORILLA,
gorilla,
KANGAROO,
kangaroo,
CROCODILE.
crocodile.
Very good children. Discuss in groups how animals are helpful to us. After you discuss, write down in the space provided the names of the animals and how they are useful to us. Children, already they have given one example, ox. How is it useful to us?
Plough the field.
Next animal name is
Cow.
cow. How is it useful to us?
It gives us milk.
Very good. Next animal name is
Hen.
how is it useful to us?
It gives us egg and meat.
Very good. Next animal name is
Ass.
how is it useful to us?
It useful for transport.
It useful for transport. Very good children. Now we have to understand the present tense form before reading the lesson. Children, present tense. What is present tense? Present tense indicates action or condition happening now. Present tense is often used to tell general information, thoughts and opinion. I will give you some example. I am eating now. I get up at 6 o'clock. Seema plays cricket with Raju. Gandhiji loves children, etc. You understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. Shall we read the lesson? Students, you listen my reading carefully because you should read after me. Okay. The school bell rings. It is 4:50 in the evening. Lucy and Nitin are returning from school. They see a man walking with his pet dog. The man is trying to tell his dog something. The dog seems to be answering him by barking. Watching this, Lucy remembers Ramana Maharshi. Lucy, do you know anything about Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi? Nitin, no, I don't. What's special about him? Lucy, Sri Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds. Nitin, can you tell me more about Ramana Maharshi? Lucy, listen, even animals were attracted to him. He spoke to them just as he would speak with people. Nitin, you mean just like the man we saw talking to his dog? Yes, he called the dogs boys. He used to say, are the boys eating their food? Really? Yes. And he called his cow Lakshmi. He used to say, give Lakshmi some rice. Children, I have stopped from this line. Now,
The
you
school,
read. Do you read? Yes, sir.
yes, sir. The school bell rings. It is a 4:15 in the evening. Lucy and Nitin are returning home from school.
They see a man walking with his pet dog. The man is trying to tell his dog something. The dog seems to be answering him by barking. Watching this, Lucy remembers Ramana Maharshi.
Lucy, do you know anything about Ramana Maharshi? Nitin, no, I don't. What's special about him? Lucy, Sri Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds.
Okay. Stop the reading, children. Now, I am going to understand the new words. Okay, now?
Sir.
Okay. Attracted. A feeling of linking somebody. Ashram means a place where hermits live. Hermits means sage. Cries means sounds made by birds and animals. Interesting. A feeling to know more about something. Crawl. Move slowly on the belly. Trouble. A problem or difficulty. Wonderful. Great. Okay, children. Now I will go to explain the story. You listen carefully. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds. Who loved animals and birds, children?
Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds.
Even animals were attracted to him. Who were attracted to him?
Animals and birds.
Very good. He spoke to them just as he would speak with people. Ramana Maharshi called the dogs boys and he called his cow Lakshmi. How Maharshi called the dogs and cow?
He called the dogs boys and called the cow Lakshmi.
Very good. Good children. And then Maharshi keep all the animals in his ashram. Where did he keep the animals?
Ramana Maharshi keep the animals in his ashram.
Very good, Shilpa. Maharshi called the peacocks by making sounds of their cries.
By making
How he called the peacocks, students?
sounds of their cries.
Very good. One day, Maharshi was sitting on a hillside. Snake crawled over his legs. What crawled over his legs, friends?
Snake crawled over his legs.
Very good, children. Children, Maharshi didn't move nor show any fear at a time. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we should also love for animal. Don't trouble them, children. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, you are all take down the homework.
Yes, sir.
Where did Ramana Maharshi keep the animals? Second one is list out the present tense form in this lesson.